Okay, here's my Saturn Vue, and this thing is broken, it's gone. So what I have done, there's two little tabs on the bottom of these little guys right here. One on the top, one on the bottom. When you get your new part, you'll see where the tabs are at. This little guy, it has a tab right on the bottom. On the, I guess that's the, you can see that little tab right here. That's located on the bottom. It clips in, you push down. I don't know if you can see my finger, but pinch it to release it. Stick a screwdriver, you push the tab down, stick a screwdriver, hold it, grab another screwdriver, do the same thing for the bottom one. Once you get it done, you need two hands for this. So I already started it already, and then so you just kind of, out goes the old one, right? Bye-bye. It's a new one compared to the old one. These are the tabs that I'm talking about. But since I already started the video, I started working on the Saturn, trying to get this little guy off. I forgot to record, and I'm like, you know, I should record this. But these two little tabs right here on the side are really hard, so you're gonna need two flathead screwdrivers. And my dumbass forgot the tools to take the bottom panel off. It would have made it a lot more easier. But work with what you got. Slides right in. I'm not gonna push down on it like that. You'll hear a click. It's in like butter. Hey, where'd the little wire go? There it is. Should I put grease in there? Let me see. Does the other one have grease? Sucker's dry. Someone said there was no grease. And that one clicked. So, moment of truth. Oh, now that feels nice. And that is done. It has it just clips on. There's no screws for the top one. This little guy right here. Wow, that probably sounds really loud. And it is done. Thank you for watching. Wow, that just, compared to the old one, look at that.